Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the volume and the surface area of the sphere based on the rotation of the circle in here about x-axis. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to write about this one. So as you can see that the center of the circle that is about 0, 0. That's about this one. We have R that is about 8. This is about the radius of the circle. So we have 8, 8, negative 8, and negative 8. So we want to find the volume, but upper part that is about this one in here. So we have this equation. So we put s squared go to the right. Now we put the square root for the both sides because we just select about the upper part. That means we need to select about the positive next to the square root. Now we can apply the formula of the volume in here. So the bounds of this one that is from negative 8 to positive 8. And now we put this one go inside for the f of x. So the integration of a square in here, we have s. The integration of s square, we have s to the power of number 3 over 3. And now we put the bounds from negative 8 to positive 8. Now I will put this one cone here. Negative number 8, we put this one cone here. So this one a and a square, we have 8 to the power of 3. A with this one we have negative 8 to the power of 3 over 3 minus b. And now we put negative 8 cone here. So we have negative 8 to the power of number 3. And negative 8 cone here. We have negative with negative. We have positive 8 to the power of number 3 over 3. And now we need to simplify this one. And then we have 4 over 3. 8 to the power of number 3b. And that's the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we want to find the surface area. To find the surface area, we need to find first the derivative of y. That's in here. And this one we have negative s over the square root of a square minus s square. After we do first the derivative, and now we apply the formula. So that should be about the integration from negative 8 to positive 8 to be y and we have the square root 1 plus first derivative of y to the power of number 2 ds. Now we know that y that is about this one. And first derivative of y that is about this one. So we put this one going here with the power 2. So we have 1 plus s squared over a squared minus s squared. Now about number 1, we can change into a squared minus s squared over a squared minus s squared. So s squared and s squared we cancel. Now we know that a they always positive number because they see about the radius of the circle, and now we can simplify like this. So this one and this one they cancel, and now we just have only 2b8, and we have the integration from negative a to positive a, and this one we have s. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.